Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable optimizations for windowed games on your Windows 11 computer. So basically a windowed game is how it sounds. It's just a game that doesn't cover the entire space of your monitor, and you're able to minimize and maximize it freely like any normal window or program or web browser, for example. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select display. And then you want to scroll down and underneath related settings, select the graphics button. If your computer supported it, there'd be an option right at the top underneath graphics. I would say default settings, change default graphics settings. You would click on that. Again, it would say change default graphics settings. And there'd be a setting that would say optimizations for windowed games. Reduce latency and use advanced features in compatible games by using flip presentation model. You'll need to restart your game for changes to take effect. You would toggle that to the on position. Again, that you would only see that if your computer supported it, which doesn't in my case, but this would be similar in Windows 10 as well. I believe Windows 10 has this feature. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.